our left we have a Drawing XPPen tablet, and on our right we have a Graphic XPPen tablet, and today we will compare both of the tablets, and you can use the links in the description to get any of these tablets down below. With that said, let's bring Felix here, who will help us with the comparison. He will be our judge. So before further ado, let's begin and compare these two tablets.
A few moments later.
What is a graphic tablet? A graphic tablet, also known as the pen tablet. It needs to be connected to your PC or a laptop, despite what you have, and it acts like a mouse, except it's not a mouse. It's a pad with a pen stylus. That pen stylus gives you the freedom to draw on the pad and see your drawings on the screen of your computer or a laptop. It's way easier to draw on your computer as opposed to your mouse. The pen stylus has pen pressure sensitivity. It lets you draw more freely and gives you more weight options for your lines. If you are a beginner digital artist, you should definitely try the graphic tablets yourself. XPPen has plenty of variety to choose the perfect size tablet with the big pen pressure sensitivity. So if you're drawing with your mouse right now, don't be a caveman or a cavewoman. Be like Felix, draw with your mouse, come on.
No! No!
Get yourself a proper graphic tablet and explore your imagination. The graphic tablets are way affordable on the market, and they give you more freedom to draw on your computer. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at what is a drawing tablet, or also known as a screen tablet. Well, as the name says, we have a screen that we can draw on. Yeah, it has a screen on which you can draw with your stylus. So you can see exactly what you're drawing. It's just like drawing on paper, almost. It needs to be connected with a cable to your PC or laptop, and it needs an external power supply in order for you to see. Again, it acts like a monitor, but a monitor that you can draw on. And the feeling is way much better because you're not looking up at another external monitor. You're looking exactly at where your hand is with your stylus, and the feeling is just much better. We see a lot of professional artists use this. It's very common if you want to animate something. A lot of animators do prefer as well to use a screen tablet or a drawing tablet over a pen tablet. A lot of those tablets come with different sizes, and a lot of people do prefer to have bigger size because that allows them to add the little details that you see in their piece. Now, it makes sense to compare them, so we're gonna try to compare them based on a couple of criteria. It's easier to see visually which one has what, and at the end of the day, to make our choice to pick tablet we can get. So let's compare both of the tablets, and the first thing we're going to compare is this size. So the size, it can vary. As we said, we have bigger pen tablets, we have also bigger display tablets, so it's up to you which size you're gonna pick. Usually the display tablets, they come in a bigger size, and as we said, that allows us to add more detail to our work. But a bigger size means that it will be harder to transport it from A to B. So if you have to travel somewhere, it's harder to take your display tablet with you, right? More likely, you will probably take, also known as a graphic tablet, in your backpack because it fits and it's easy. Now, there are some display tablets like this one over here that you can carry it with you because it's not that big. It's very portable, and you don't have to carry an external cable for the power supply, because if you have a Type-C cable, you can plug that into your tablet and into your PC or your laptop in this case, and you will be able to turn on and use your display tablet. So on the size bracket, it's very hard to pick. So I'm gonna put the display tablets because they have bigger variety of sizes, and while some of them can be very big and you cannot carry them with you, you can still have an option from the XPPen collection. When it comes to durability, here it's really hard to pick. A lot of times we see people bringing out their first graphic tablets they ever bought, and most of them still work. I say most of them, depends how you use your tablet, right? So durability factor, we see that the graphic tablet, also known as the pen tablet, it seems to be a bit more durable than your average screen tablet. That doesn't mean that the screen tablet breaks easy, obviously not. But in the durability bracket, I have to give it to the pen tablets. Of course, it's up to you. If you have different opinions, please share them in the comments down below. Now, next bracket is the usability. Both of these tablets, as I said, they do have one main function, and that main function is to allow you to draw with a pen, with the pen stylus on the surface that's closer to a paper. The usability here, though, the one caveat is that the graphic tablet, if you want to learn how to draw on the graphic tablet, it will take you longer because you will take longer to adjust at looking up to a screen while you're drawing on a different place. In this case, will be on your pad, on your tablet. So you have to look up the screen while your hand is down on your desk. And it takes a while for your brain to get used to that. So it's all about the muscle memory. While with the screen tablet, as we said earlier, it's way easier. Just pick up the pen, pick up the stylus, and just draw on your screen. You get used to it very easily. So if you're a beginner, obviously, if you draw on a screen tablet, it will be so easy. But if you decide to get a pen tablet, it will take you time to adjust to that. So in this aspect, in the usability, I have to give a point to the screen tablets, right? It just makes sense. I think Felix, where are you? You agree with me, right? I think so, yeah, that's what I thought. Anyway, final bracket. Final bracket is the budget. Now, the budget here can vary. We can go on the XPPen website, and most of the times they do show us different promotions there. So make sure you check on those very often. You will see that a lot of the tablets they have, they're very affordable, even the screen tablets, because usually the screen tablets, they are a little bit more expensive than the pen tablets, which makes sense. You have a full screen to draw on, unlike the pen tablet. So usually the budget bracket, the pen tablets will be much cheaper than the display tablets. So right here, it's up to you. It's up to your budget what tablet you will get. The budget friendly tablet in this bracket for sure will be any pen tablet, any graphic tablet. And there's plenty of options you can choose on the XPPen website. But also a lot of the screen tablets are become way more affordable as well, like this model over here. Now, if you have a tight budget, then maybe you should look at your budget, or maybe you should wait a little bit and save for a proper screen tablet. Anyway, that's our weird comparison table that we have here. Let us know which one would you prefer. We cannot give a winner because the winner is up to you. Which one would you prefer? If I have to ask Felix, I think he will prefer both of the tablets. But if you have to pick only one, let us know which one would you pick. Anyway, that's gonna be all for us for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure you subscribe for more of these. And if you're looking out for a tablet, you know where to find one in the links in the description down below. And that's all for us. And that's Felix with this weird body shape he has there. Goodbye for now, and take care.